Hi guys, just a quick video to talk about one of our most popular products and an extremely popular product with everyone out there, which are the Apple AirPods. What we have available on our site at the moment is the Apple AirPods 2. For Apple's price is £159, ours is £125. Save yourself £35. So what are you paying that extra £35 for? You're paying that for the plastic which covers the box, which you're going to throw away. With us, you don't get that plastic. The box has been opened. But as you can see, the AirPods are absolutely as they were if you were to buy them brand new. You get all the relevant documentation. And the other reason I want to make this video is to address a lot of concerns. We get emailed hourly. How can you be assured that these are genuine Apple AirPods? What my advice to you is, whether you buy from us or you buy from elsewhere, what you do is you open the top. The charging case has a serial number there. Each AirPod has a individual serial number just under there. You can't really see it on the camera. If you type that serial number into Apple's website, as though you were checking what you had an issue with it and you were checking the warranty, it will confirm whether or not that's genuine. So again, guys, save yourself £35 for the sake of a bit of plastic and place your orders now.